We're here at Injector Experts to provide you with quality, professional grade fuel injector cleaning. With 20 years experience, we clean them, we flow them, we match them, we dyno test them. We replace the O-rings, the filters, dyno test them, flow match them, and blueprint them, all for $20 a piece within 24 hours of receiving them. After our first flow test, you can see all these injectors are the same manufacturer, but look at the difference in the flow numbers. This is what it should be. This is not what it should be. We'll take the filters out and replace them and make sure they're all within 1% of each other. Here's a filter we removed. Here's a filter we will install. This is a worldwide cleaning, flowing, and matching service with a small town hospitality.